Good morning, YouTube. Alright, don't know what today's plan is because, you know, all the plans kind of got shuffled around, but let's get going and hang out.
Look at her just vibing. She's just vibing. She's just vibing.
Caleb, you take me to McDonald's. Danny, you wanna go to McDonald's? Go to McDonald's.
Look at him go. Every time I close my eyes.
What you feed, bruh? Hear my TikToks. Rachel sent me.
We went to Walmart, but I couldn't record anything because my hands are full of groceries. We didn't get a cart, so we got goodies. Look at us go.
So you want 4 McDoubles and 2 McChicken? Is this on the other order?
No, this is on the same first order.
I have 2 McDoubles, extra onion, no pickle, a medium, a McChicken, and a medium vanilla shake. So you want 4 McDoubles and 2 McChicken total?
Yes.
We pulling up to the McDonald's chill spot. Oh, probably not gonna get Rona. Look at that V8. What are you doing there?
In that constant.
Yeah. Well, I got it on 4K Blu-ray.
I was gonna say, I've been wanting to watch it.
We're listening to the Shepherd Tone element.
Copyright.
We literally vibed in the living room for a couple hours watching YouTube videos. Now I'm falling asleep. And on that note, guys, I think we're gonna wrap it up here today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, sub, share, hit that bell. And as always, I'll see you in tomorrow's episode. Bye.